Hi everybody, JT here. This video I will show you how to use 5-axis modular but doing in a 3-axis mode. I think I talked to you one of these before, but just to explain a little bit so you have better understanding, like you can use uh, powerful modular in 5-axis mode, but you can do this and post it out to run on the 3-axis machine. So let's use this model again and just do maybe something like this, right? Let's say if you just want to machine this surface only, and I think it is on the angle 5 degree. Okay, so instead you do the whole thing here, but you only want to do this, right? And then I mean there's multiple way, but I want to show you in the 5-axis modular to do this. Okay, let's restore. Okay, now fit speed, of course, you put it in everything here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you select surface, right? And then you do form two curve. Let's do the first one here, second one down here. I mean, if you want to do all the way here, let's do all the way down. And that would be second one. Right surface, just this, right? Step over, let's do 10 2-axis. Okay, so in this one it automatically in 5-axis, but we don't want to do 5-axis, so we change to 3-axis, right? So those are the stuff required to do this. We can do zigzag, or we can do spiral. Okay, gouge. Let's see, I don't think we need gouge here because we know that the tool is not gonna hit anything, so let's do it and see. Oof, that is retract too long, so we can do this, something like that. But still, let's see. Okay, maybe we can select zigzag. Yeah, I think zigzag would be better. Right? Okay, so yep, zigzag is better. Let's render and see. Yep, just go back and forth. Well, see that? So, I mean, I use it, this stuff sometime because it just in the 5-axis modular, it has a lot of powerful component in here that you can use. And most of these, you even though you don't have a 5-axis machine to run, but you still be able to use this, and you post out at a 3-axis mode. Morph between two surfaces or two curves is similar, or you can do even parallel. But this is, the most two of these is the most thing that I use. Right, okay, so the next one, I want to show you one of these. Let's say you want to machine the outside here, but let's say the material is, you have some extra here and you want to do just contour around it, but instead if you do one pass it's gonna be too much, right? So you want to do multiple pass. I mean, there's more than one way you can do this. You can rub it out volume mill or something like that, but let it say you don't want to, you just want one or two pass around here and then a finished pass, right? So just pull the two down, contour, right? Let's see how deep that's 1 inch. Okay, so everything there, let's say this is a finished pass, right? Oops. Okay, that's just a finished pass. In and out a little bit longer, bigger, so you can see. Right, so let's say you have a finished pass like that, but if you have like couple 100,000 extra out here, and then let's say you don't want to do volume mill, or you don't want to roll out, you just want something, one or two pass extra, so you can, so the tool doesn't work so hard. So over here you can do two pass, and each one, let's say 70,000. And there you have it, right? So two pass, each one is 7,000 and one is finished. I mean, you don't, and then you can just delete this, right? Okay. It's just quick way that you can do it. So you don't have, you just have more option. I just want to explain a little bit here so you have more option to do this, more than one way you can do this. So or you can create multiple tool paths, but I do this sometimes, so it's just quicker to rough this out, right? So if you want to do more than that, you can do three. If you have more material, you can do three paths, 1, 2, 3, and then a finished path. So this is, like handy sometimes. So, all right. So, I'll just stop this video here. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification so you can get the update when I release new video. See you guys next time. Goodbye now.